Good morning, students. In this module, we will learn the De Morgan's laws for the set difference. There are two formula. First one, A minus B union C equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. And second one, A minus B intersection C equal to A minus B union A minus C. Students, note here, if union here comes mean, it will come the right hand side intersection. If it is intersection in the left hand side, union will be come in the right hand side. Let us solve the first one. Let us verify it. Consider the sets A, B, C as given. First we need to find all the sets into roster form. C is already in roster form, but we need to convert A and B into roster form. Consider set A. Set A equal to set of all n such that n equal to 2p plus 1 and p belongs to Z, where p lies between minus 1 and 4. That is minus 1 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 4. Here p takes the values minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When p equal to 1, we can substitute in n. So we will get 2 into minus 1 plus 1 and minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1. And when p equal to 0, 2 into 0 plus 1, so 0 plus 1 equal to 1. If we proceeding like this, we will get 3, 5, 7 and 9. So set A equal to minus 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And set B the same way. Here set of all T is the collection of B, and T is based on the variable Q, where Q condition is minus 1 less than or equal to Q less than 4, and Q takes the values minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Here 3. So Q equal to minus 1 means T equal to 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 equal to minus 2. If we proceeding like this, Q equal to 0, T equal to 1. Q equal to 1 means T equal to 4, 7, 10. So the B is the collection of minus 2, 1, 4, 7, 10. And the roster form of all the sets A, B, C are and now let us verify the formula. A minus B union C equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. See the left hand side. First we should find out the bracket, that is B union C. So B union C, the elements of B is here union elements of C, and when we operate the union, we should write all the elements of B and C. If the elements are repeated, we can write only one time. So minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9 and 10. And the left hand side is A minus B union C. So the elements of A here and the elements of B union C, here we are operating subtraction, so we should eliminate the common elements. What are the common elements in A and B union C? minus 1 1 and 5 7 9, and the remaining elements of A should be the answer. No need to write the remaining elements of the second set. What's the remaining element here? 3 only. So A minus B union C equal to 3. Now come to the right hand side. Right hand side is A minus B intersection A minus C. So first we should operate or calculate A minus B, and we are doing subtraction, and we have the A B C set here. So from the set A and B, cancel the common elements. What are the common elements? 1 7. So the remaining elements are minus 1 3 5 9. 1 and 7 are common elements in the sets A B. Similarly, consider the set B and C, A and C, because here A minus C we have. So consider the set A and C. Cancel the common element minus 1 and 5 7 9, and the remaining elements are minus 1 and 3 from the set A, because A is the first set. And now A minus B intersection A minus C, that is common elements in these two sets. What's the common element in these two? 3. So this answer is 3. So from the left hand side and right hand side, we have A minus B union C equal to singleton 3. Also A minus B intersection A minus C equal to 3. Both are equal. So this is the law of the set difference by De Morgan. Thank you. Thank you, students.